Free case study for busy professionals, moms and dads. How to get a 30% from the stock market in 12 months. Would you sit through a free information-packed 60-minute presentation to learn? How to finally escape from investing in ETFs that may give a 7% return, to managing your own portfolio and averaging an amazing 30% return. How to invest long-term, targeting a 30% return without day trading, without investing in penny stocks or small caps. How to be more confident when it comes to investing and become a data-driven investor. Learn how to achieve a retirement in the next 5 to 10 years. When you think about retirement, you want to focus on growing your portfolio as much as possible in the next 5 to 10 years. The next 5 to 10 years is critical for you in terms of growth. You want to earn a higher return on your portfolio, but literally have no clue on what to do. What stocks should I invest in? How do I pick winning stocks? When should I enter the market? How long should I hold the stock for? How do I even know when to exit? What should I do before or after earnings? If you've got those questions and more rolling around in your head, click the link below this video and check out the free training video. You will not be disappointed.